Hello friends, I student of CRPF Public School. Today as we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day, this video enhance your knowledge to know how India changed to struggle, develop and became powerful nation. We got independence with the help of freedom fighters such as Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and after 1947, we got our first constitution with the help of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and our country became united with the help of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. After that, Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India in 15 August 1947. He served the country as Prime Minister till 1964. During his period, the First War of China and India happened. After the death of Nehru, Gulzari Lal Nanda became the Prime Minister of India for only 13 days. After that, Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister of India in 1964, and 1 year later, the war between India and Pakistan happened, and finally, India won that war. During Lal Bahadur Shastri period, India faced starvation and we don't have food stock at that time. And he also gave an slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. After the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri in Tashkent in Uzbekistan, Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. In her period, we fought the war for freedom of Bangladesh and Bangladesh got freedom, and this day we celebrate as the Vijay Divas. And then after, Pakistan signed Shimla Agreement. In 1977, Morarji Desai became the next Prime Minister of India and served India as 2 years 126 days. After that, Charan Singh became the next Prime Minister of India for just 170 days. In 1980, again Indira Gandhi became Prime Minister of India and converted all the private sector bank to public sector bank. And in 1984, she assignated. And after that, with a huge majority, Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India, and he brought the future ideas of the 21st century like uses of the computers and working with the technology. In 1989, Rajiv Gandhi assignated by the LTT group. After that, the death of Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh became the Prime Minister of India for 340 days. After that, Chandrasekhar became the Prime Minister of India for 223 days. After that, P.V. Narasimha Rao became the Prime Minister of India and he served almost 5 years. During his period, LPG happened in 1991 with the help of the Finance Minister Manmohan Singh. LPG means liberalization, privatization and globalization, and brought out India from important economic crisis. In 1996, Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India for only just 16 days. Then H.D. Deve Gowda became the Prime Minister of India in 1996 for 324 days. After that, Inder Kumar Gujral became Prime Minister of India for 326 days. Then after, in 1999, again Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India for 6 years. During his period, the Kargil war happened and India won that war. And he gave a slogan for Kashmir issue, Insaniyat, Jamhuriyat, Kashmiriyat. After that, Manmohan Singh became the next Prime Minister of India in 2004 to 2014 and he served India as the 10 years. He is an also former RBI Governor of India and after that in 2014 Shri Narendra Damodas Modi became the Prime Minister of India and till now he is serving. Now we talk about defense of our country. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as Missile Man of India. India's indigenous missiles are Akash, Agni 1, Agni 2, Agni 3, Agni 4 and Agni 5 and BrahMos, which is developed by both country India and Russia, Nag missiles and Nirbhaya missiles. Now we talk about some space missions of India. After independence of India and India's first rocket was carried in cycle for launch. We have rockets like SLV, ASLV and now we are using PSLV and GSLV rockets for launch. With the help of PSLV drop satellite in Mars, which is also known as Mars Orbiter Mission (MOM) and also called Mangalyaan. And this mission was success in first attempt and also in cheapest cost. And India is the only country who succeeded in just first attempt. India made satellite for SAARC nation, which includes Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, England, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. This satellite helps all the countries for development and communication. Then after, India launched Mission Shakti for our defense of the country. This satellite helps in early warning and tracking radars for protection of our country for war. India also launched Chandrayaan 1 and 2. Now we talk about the great classical musician of India, Ajmat Ali Khan, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, MS Shubhalakshmi, Bismillah Khan, Lata Mangeshkar. Now we talk about some sports person of India. In boxing, Mary Kom and Vijendra Singh. And in wrestling, Sakshi Malik. There are some famous sports personalities: Vishwanatham Anand, Kapil Dev, PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Milkha Singh and Sania Mirza. Thank you and once again Happy Independence Day today all of you. Hope you like this video and thank you once again.